Want to know how your disk space is being used on Windows 11? In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to view and manage your storage efficiently. Right-click the Windows Start button. Select Settings from the context menu. In the Settings window, select System from the left menu. On the right, scroll down and click Storage. Under Storage, click Show More Categories to see how disk space is being used. Categories like Apps and Features, Documents, Pictures, Music, and others will display their respective usage. Note: files outside designated folders, for example outside the Documents folder, won't be included in these totals. Use the Refresh button to update the storage usage display if changes, for example file deletions, were made recently. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.